Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on another topic of Excel, MS Excel, where the given data will be placed in pivot chart. I have discussed already in my previous videos about pivot table in Excel. Now today I discuss on pivot chart and how it is depicted data in a chart. Chart is nothing but a graphical representation of data, which is also called the pictorial diagram, that is 2D diagram, stacked 2D stacked diagram, etc. So now I will show here. This is a table of company, products, cost and quantity, and I will depict it in a chart, 2D chart, with the help of pivot chart. So I go to insert pivot table option, where two options are there, pivot table and pivot chart. Today I will discuss pivot chart in wizard. I click here and I am the existing worksheet. I will show the chart in this worksheet. My table location is selected here. I will also select this area again. This area is selected randomly, and this location is, suppose I want to show this data here. Click OK, and it will give the wizard which is given here, the axis data and legend data. Axis data is the data where row data will be placed. It is x-axis items are there. So I will place here. You see the company in this axis location, and next the products and cost, and the products and cost will be placed here, and the quantity will be goes to the value field. So you see this is automatically created the chart, and in this area you see here the table is I will drag it here. This is the company of the products, and the products are desktop, laptop and motherboard, and the quantity is given here. So this is converted to the chart area, where I can analyze this area with the help of field, that is suppose layout. I will show the data. These are the data, and suppose I want to insert the title, so I go to insert title, and here I can type this title here, chart on products. So, and the company is placed here below the horizontal axis. So this is axis fields are company, so I will give this axis title, and this is called horizontal title. So I type here rather company. So this is the basic functionalities of pivot chart, how I have designed it. You see here, main thing is that the field are selected and drop in this area of selection, which is called report filter, that is of axis fields, which is horizontal axis, and legend field, which is y-axis, that is vertical axis, and the values is the sum of the items where consolidated report are placed. So consolidated amount is of the quantity form, because in this format one pivot chart is automatically created below. So this is giving the sum of these items. So I think it is okay now, and you will be able to do it at your own following the wizard. Please do it at once at your own. Thank you. And if it is liked by you, please subscribe to this channel itechsolution. Thank you.